Stop. If you have $100, don't spend it. Because what you do with this $100 can decide your future. In this video, you'll learn how to turn just $100 into the beginning of your financial life. Welcome to Future Funded, where we break down money, investing, and financial decisions into simple steps anyone can follow. Now think about this. If you had $100 right now, what would you do? Be honest. Most people spend it. Food, shopping, random things, and within days, it's gone. Nothing changes. Same life, same struggle. But a few people do something different. They take that same $100 and they use it wisely. They invest it. And that's where everything changes. Because the truth is, the problem is not money. The problem is people don't know what to do with it. Most beginners think you need thousands of dollars to start. $1,000, $5,000, maybe more. And because of that, they keep waiting. Waiting for the right time, waiting for more money, waiting to learn everything first. And while they wait, nothing changes. But here's the reality. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect moment. There is only one thing that matters: starting. And yes, $100 is enough to start. Not to become rich overnight, but to build the habit that actually creates wealth. Now here's how smart people use that $100. Step 1. They take control of their money. They don't let it disappear. They decide where it goes. Step 2. They avoid bad decisions. No chasing fast money, no random spending, because they understand every bad decision costs them time. Step 3. They put their money into something that grows, not something that disappears. Step 4. They repeat again and again and again, every single month, because they know something most people ignore. Wealth is not built in one big move. It's built through small, consistent actions. Now here's the part that most people ignore. Time. Time is the real power, not money, because money without time doesn't grow. But even small money, with time, can become something big. This is where most people fail. They want results fast. They make decisions fast. They quit fast. And that's why they stay stuck. But people who win, they stay patient. They stay consistent. They think long term. Now imagine this. Two people, same income, same starting point, same $100. One person spends it. The other uses it wisely. One keeps repeating bad habits. The other builds better habits. Fast forward a few years, the difference is massive. One is still stuck. The other is ahead. Not because of luck, not because of talent, but because of decisions. And it all started with something small. Now let's be real. $100 might not feel like a lot. You might think, what difference will it even make? But that's exactly how most people think. And that's why most people stay stuck. Because they ignore small beginnings. But every big result starts small. Every successful person started with less money, less knowledge, and more confusion than you. The only difference is they didn't wait. They started. Now here's the truth. If you don't control your money, it will control you. It will disappear without building anything. But if you take control, if you use it wisely, you can change your direction. Not instantly, but definitely. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't look for perfect conditions, because they don't exist. Start with what you have. Start small, but start now. Because your first $100 is not small. It's the beginning. And if you want to understand money, make better financial decisions, and build real wealth step by step, subscribe to Future Funded, because this is just the start.